Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Our today's lesson is possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. So let's start our day's lesson. First of all, what is the meaning of possess? The word possess means to have or own something. For example, the ball is in the hand of the bowler. This is the sentence. The ball is in the hand of the bowler. Now we may say, or the meaning of the sentence is, the bowler possesses the ball. The bowler possesses the ball, or the ball is in the possession of the bowler. So this is the meaning of possess. And from possess we have possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. तो possess का माने समझ में आया? possess का मतलब होता है कोई चीज़ हमारे पास है, किसी चीज़ को हम ओन करते हैं, और जिस चीज़ को जब कोई ओन करता है तो वो उसका ओनर हो जाता है. ठीक है. जैसे बॉलर के हाथ में है, इसका मतलब हुआ कि बॉलर possesses the ball. Now let's go to understand the meaning of possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Read the following sentences. This is my book. Sentence number 2. This book is mine. Now in the first sentence, that is in the sentence this is my book, the word my comes before the noun book. The word my comes before the noun book, and it qualifies the noun. My qualifies the noun, and a word that qualifies a noun we call it adjective. हम जानते हैं कि कोई एक वर्ड जब नाउन को क्वालिफाई करता है तो उस वर्ड को हम एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. तो यहाँ बुक नाउन है और माई एक वर्ड है जो नाउन से पहले आया है. माई क्वालिफाइज द बुक, सो माई इज एडजेक्टिव. Thus the word my is an adjective. Now it also indicates possession. माने the word my indicates possession. my से क्या होता है? possession का पता चलता है. So this adjective is possessive adjective. तो अब ये जो adjective my हो गया वो कैसा adjective हो गया? possessive adjective हो गया. my बोलने से क्या हुआ? मेरा, मतलब I own it. So my is adjective and the word my indicates possession, so it is a possessive adjective. So my is a possessive adjective. Now in the second sentence, which is the book is mine, here the word mine does not have noun after it. अब इस mine के बाद देखिए कोई noun नहीं है. जैसे यहाँ पर mine के बाद book था, noun था, यहाँ mine के बाद जो है कोई noun नहीं है. So it is not an adjective, it is a pronoun. अब ये pronoun हो गया. ठीक है. Now mine also indicates possession. Mine से भी possession का पता चलता है. So it is a possessive pronoun. तो इसलिए mine जो हो गया possessive pronoun हो गया. तो when we compare the two sentences, what do we see? We see that in the first sentence the word my is possessive adjective, but in the second sentence the word mine is a possessive pronoun. So now I hope the idea is clear what is possessive adjective and what is possessive pronoun. Now read the following sentences. Number 1. This is my pen, but that pen is yours. Now in this sentence, pen is noun, comes after my, but there is no noun after yours. So my is possessive adjective and yours is possessive pronoun. Number 2, these are his books, but those books are hers. Here, his possessive adjective and hers is possessive pronoun. Number 3, we love our country and they love theirs. Country, noun coming after our. So, our is possessive adjective, theirs, no noun after it. So, theirs is possessive pronoun. So, thus, in the above sentences, words my, his, our, all these three words are possessive adjectives. And all these three pronouns, yours, hers, and theirs, are possessive pronouns. Some examples of possessive adjectives. Number 1, my mobile is out of order. Mobile noun है, my के बाद आया है. Number 2, your shirt is very clean. Number 3, we love and respect our national flag. Number 4, his father is anxious about his result. Number 5, they haven't submitted their projects. Thus, my, your, our, his, their, all these are possessive adjectives because all these words are followed by noun. तो इसमें सब, ये सब जितना वर्ड है, माई, योर, आवर, हिज, देयर, सब के बाद देखिए एक एक नाउन आया है. इसमें मोबाइल है, इसमें शर्ट नाउन है, इसमें नेशनल फ्लैग नाउन है, इसमें रिजल्ट नाउन है, इसमें प्रोजेक्ट्स नाउन है. अब एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ possessive pronouns. Number 1, the history book is his. No noun after it. Number 2, the geography book is hers. Again, no noun after hers. Number 3, many years ago, this garden was theirs. Number 4, this mobile is mine and that mobile is yours. Mine, yours. 5, the red house is ours. तो इस तरह से हम लोग देख लिए कि पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव क्या होता है, पजेसिव प्रोनाउंस क्या होता है. अब यहाँ पर एक हम लिस्ट बना दिए हैं ताकि यू कैन रिमेंबर इट इजीली. पजेसिव प्रोनाउंस एंड पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स. यहाँ पर स्पेलिंग गलत हो गया, सॉरी फॉर दैट. अब यहाँ पर देखिए पजेसिव प्रोनाउंस के घर में कौन कौन सा प्रोनाउंस है, यहाँ पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स के घर में कौन कौन सा एडजेक्टिव्स है. इसी को याद रख लीजिए तो आपको सब कुछ आसान हो जाएगा. तो पजेसिव प्रोनाउंस कौन कौन सा हुआ, माइन, हिज, हर्स, योर्स, आवर्स, देयर्स. अब पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव क्या हुआ, माई, हिज, हर, योर, आवर, देयर. अब इसमें याद रखिए कि हिज को छोड़कर बाकी यहाँ जितना वर्ड है जैसे हर, योर, आवर, देयर, इस सब के आखिर में एस लगा हुआ है. ठीक है, हर का हर्स, योर का योर्स, आवर का आवर्स, देयर का देयर्स. सिर्फ हिज दोनों ही कॉमन होता है, पजेसिव प्रोनाउन एंड पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है, तो दिस वाज द लेसन अबाउट पजेसिव प्रोनाउंस एंड पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स. आई होप you have understood it quite very well, and I think it is very easy and nothing to worry about that. So let's call it a day. Thank you very much.